everyone, my name's Chloe.
And I'm Christina.
And we're with Wish Medical Women's Health. Have you been searching for raw and honest answers to all of your questions about women's health? Or do you have that one nagging question at the back of your mind that's just way too awkward to ask one of your friends? Well, we all have those and we're here to answer them all. Welcome to the new Wish Medical Women's Health YouTube channel. Woo-hoo! We are so excited to jump into women's health together and have real conversations about the realities that affect all of us. Make sure to also check out our Instagram and Facebook, which are linked down below, to keep up with what's happening at Wish.
Yes, being a woman and trying to navigate all the health information, diets, tips on self-care, tips on skincare, period suggestions, and everything else that the internet tries to throw at you is so hard, and I think we've both felt that before. And so we want to try to help give straightforward, science-backed information that's easy to understand and something that you can incorporate into your own life. So follow along to get trusted information about your body, see our medical clinic, and meet our amazing medical professionals.
Let's backtrack. If you're wondering who Wish is and what we do, you are in the right place. WISH is actually an acronym. It stands for Wholly Integrated Sexual Health, meaning we like to take a holistic approach when it comes to your healthcare. So we're not taking care of you just physically, but also intellectually, emotionally, socially, and spiritually. With these videos, it's our goal to empower you to take care of the whole you.
Wish Medical Women's Health is a nonprofit health clinic located in Pullman, Washington and Moscow, Idaho, and we provide 100% free services for women, including pregnancy testing, ultrasounds, STI testing, reproductive health exams, and more. And this is all thanks to our amazing community who fund our operations because they value women and their health on the plus.
In addition to all of these amazing free services, like we mentioned, we have a great staff of medical professionals who want you to receive the best care and resources. We believe that when you receive excellent care and trusted information, you can make empowered decisions regarding your health.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for all the amazing content to come made with you in mind. Thanks for watching.
Bye!
That was our best one.